Do you have a cocktail in mind you want to have?
कॉकटेल
और भाई
वो सब क्या होता है भैया?
I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak.
This is what the future is going to look like. If you really want to taste something like really bizarre,
yeah.
When we're out together, dancing cheek to cheek.
The foam at the back, the height is just perfect.
so what was the thing you were telling me about?
Just this only, the kursi review, bro. तो कैसी रही रात? भाई आज हम आए हैं लोअर परेल, which is the business hub, also the drinking hub of Mumbai. बहुत दिनों बाद आया, फिर ना बिल्कुल मूड में नहीं लग रहा है आज पीने का.
मूड में हूँ. मेरे को बुला लिए लोगों ने. मेरे को बुला लिया कि आओ अमीरों का पीने का स्टाइल दिखाता हूँ.
There's a lot of bars here, but we are covering two very special bars. One is a fairly recent one. The first one is called
भूमिपुरा.
भूमिपुरा. Very good. Research
I
करके.
did not know. इन लोगों ने मेरे को बोला कि कैमरे पे ऐसे बोल देना. तो मैंने बस बोल दिया.
Bhumipura is a Singaporean and Malaysian futuristic bar.
ये फाइंड आउट करेंगे फ्यूचरिस्टिक क्यों है ये?
Welcome to Bhumipura.
Oh, this is crazy. Why? The numbers are changing here.
इसका क्या सीन है सर?
We put a calendar.
Oh, we're 100 years ahead. Okay.
Oh, आप 100 साल आगे हैं.
हाँ.
क्या चल रहा है वहाँ पे? शुभम
शुभम.
शुभम आपका नाम होना चाहिए यहाँ पे. भूमिपुरा क्या कर रहे हैं यहाँ? घुसने से पहले कोई एक चीज जो हम लोग एंटिसिपेट कर रहे हो जो आप बताना चाहोगे सर?
See the bar is slightly different from other bars.
Okay.
We take an inspiration from Tesla Cybertruck.
Okay.
It is fully made from steel and it is one piece.
Fusion of ancient times and the future.
Yeah,
Right?
yeah.
यही है ना?
चलो भाई. ये फ्यूचरिस्टिक केव तो लग रहा है थोड़ा ना. बैट केव एंड ऑल टाइप वाइब आ रहा है ना थोड़ा.
Yes. The menu card looks like a wedding invitation card. Welcome to the year 2124. Our bar is dedicated to preserving the rich flavors of both these nations, offering a unique drinking and culinary experience that celebrates their vibrant culture tapestry. It's too much of English.
Do you have a cocktail in mind you want to have?
Cocktail.
और भाई
वो सब क्या होता है भैया? दारू में 30 ml पानी मिला के जल्दी तो. और ये एक सिंगापुरियन प्लेटर है.
I love this way कि आप we get like a combo. एक ये drink है और साथ में ये bar bite है which will go well with it.
Yeah.
Gin, vodka, sake.
यही
ले भाई यही चाहिए.
यही चाहिए.
So one fat in between. O is the new black. And one भाई ने क्या मांगा है? DSLE.
बस मैं समझ गया. पुंकन चाहिए. Wow.
Wow.
भाई अपने
Easily impressed है भाई.
मैंने जिंदगी में पहली बार एक आइस को रैप बॉक्स में से निकलते हुए देखा भाई. रैपर में से आइस निकला है. ये सब कब से हो रहा है?
ये सब हम लोग बाहर से ऑर्डर करते हैं.
आई आपको बोलना चाहिए था फ्यूचर में हो रहा है यार ये सब.
Reminds me of something else as well.
भाई मैं पीने वाला हूँ भाई. उसको क्या कर रहा है?
कुछ फंकी होने वाला है भाई.
क्या बोल रहा है?
हाँ भाई देख 2 स्ट्रॉ निकल के आया है भाई. अरे ले भाई आग लगा दी. मैं बहुत लोगों को जानता हूँ जो जब देते हैं कुछ 800-900 रुपए एक ड्रिंक का वो एक्सपेक्ट करते हैं कि ग्लास भरा हुआ है. मैं वो आदमी नहीं हूँ. मैं मैन ऑफ कल्चर हूँ. मैं जिंदगी जी चुका हूँ. मैं दुनिया देख चुका हूँ. Cheers brother.
Cheers.
This is very good यार.
भाई मेरा तो ज्यादा इंटरेस्टिंग है. I can bet कि मेरा ज्यादा बेटर है.
भाई मटन फैट वॉश तो बनाया
This
है
has mutton in this.
भाई. ये भी बहुत बढ़िया है यार.
भाई it's crazy. मैं तो बोल रहा हूँ.
बियर सिरप. So that's beer with sugar and तो भाई ये बता how you liking these kursis man?
Comfortable, good.
Yeah, what kursis? The foam at the back, the height is just perfect. It's not too low.
So what was the thing you were telling me about?
Just this only, the kursi review, bro.
के बैठे क्या हम यहाँ पे? हमको इतना सारा बिल्डअप देके कुर्सी का रिव्यू दे दिए.
People don't take this seriously, man.
Yeah,
It's an important
that's a very good valid point,
Right?
That Shivam has picked here.
Yeah.
भाई बार में एक कुर्सी तो अच्छा मिलना चाहिए.
I'm the only person in the world who is doing a kursi review. This is a mutton satay. Hey, brother, I've never seen छोटे-छोटे rice के cake यार. क्या बढ़िया लग रहे हैं ना?
So basically you guys came up with this drink here. इस नाम का कोई भी ड्रिंक मलेशिया सिंगापुर में एग्जिस्ट नहीं करता है क्या?
Check this.
Check this.
ये भी बहुत सुंदर लग रहा है भाई देखने में.
भाई सब कुछ अच्छा है लेकिन ये प्लेट कैदी लोग वाला क्यों है भाई? राइस बियर एंड राइस कॉकटेल भैया.
And there is some like real rice as well.
राइस बोल. पूरा चावल है भाई यहाँ पे.
So I'm gonna have this O is the new black.
भाई what is it? Looks very exotic.
It is.
भाई चॉकलेट दिया हुआ है भाई तेरे को इसमें.
बिटर लगेगा तो.
Oh, cheers.
थोड़ा बिटर है बट कॉफी वाला बिटर है जो मुझे पसंद है.
Yeah.
कड़क है ना? Especially after what you were having, you would have felt it didn't even.
Brother, इन तीनों कॉकटेल में से आपका सबसे फेवरेट कौन सा
मेरा
है?
सबसे फेवरेट वो इज द न्यू ब्लैक.
Never seen a dip like this before.
The public is like, where is Abhinav? Where is Abhinav? मैंने कहा मेरे लिए भी पूछ लो कोई यार.
भाई मेरा क्या है ना वाइब ही ऐसा.
So basically whiskey, orange, cardamom, lime. सब एक ही बॉटल में डाला हुआ है, then we inject CO2 in
CO2 and then
we directly
नहीं genuinely बढ़िया भाई,
भाई,
because I like a whiskey
भाई ये
highball.
ऑरेंज है, फ्यूचर में AI का क्या सीन है?
AI generated cocktails भी आने वाले हैं.
Nah, brother.
This is what the future is going to look like.
Okay, let's get a table. Okay, so this is the private dining room. It is kind of too private to be honest.
You call a server or any steward, so you just pull the lever down. So this color will change. Then server will know we need service inside.
What kind of services are we getting in this light, brother? That's what the question is. I'm actually really liking the Negroni.
What was it called? Negroni.
Yeah, it's very nice.
Okay.
I would go ahead to say कि bro 7 or 10 for all the cocktails like cumulatively अगर मैं कहूँ.
अच्छा 7 on 10 ठीक है.
हाँ.
I really like the igloo rice
Okay.
beer. मेरे को अच्छा लगा. The first cocktail that the guy made,
Yeah.
sake, gin, vodka. Vodka था ना वो?
Yeah.
Or with the rice topping.
The rice topping. That was actually very good, man.
Yeah,
That was a good
It
cocktail.
was now guys is getting too honest.
हाँ, तो वही तो point है,
ठीक
वही तो point
है. Do you think are you buying the dystopian essence? अगर कोई नहीं समझेगा, अगर हम लोग until someone is telling us,
हाँ.
right? कोई अगर आगे बता नहीं रहा है तो हम लोग ये समझेंगे नहीं कि what is the concept behind
Yeah.
this, right?
तो steel and black और सब कुछ ऐसा होगा.
Right.
But थोड़ा सा और अगर होता ना.
Right. तो 2 सेकंड हो गया है ये लाइट को रेड किए हुए. बट नो हेल्प इज
भाई ये
आई डोंट सी एनी हेल्प. 10 सेकंड भैया 12 सेकंड हो गए यहाँ पे. Seems like they have forgotten their own rules.
काफी टाइम हो गया है.
24 सेकंड हो गए यार. 24 सेकंड 24 seconds 30 seconds we are crossing 30 seconds. ये check कर रहे हैं भाई.
So should we sit here, bro?
Thunder.
Thunder? Bro, मैं thunder ही लेना चाह रहा था, तो एक thunder हो जाए फिर. Because we gotta taste the thunder.
not involved into all of this.
ये क्या है, bro?
This
Okay. Where
shiny cloth that they are using as the posters, and also इनका apron भी देखो कितना cool है.
So it is called Sonke. So basic enhance the flavor of the cocktail as well as it give a very smooth takeover.
Okay.
Little bit of rice puff to give a different texture to the cocktail.
एक फ्लेक्स ऐड कर रहे हैं भैया, ये हमको बता रहे हैं फ्यूचर में ये सब कहाँ.
भाई थोड़ा सा इसके लिए तो छोड़ दे यार.
Oh damn strong alcohol.
I kind of like it, but it's not giving me a lot of cocktail vibe.
मैं तो ये बोलूँगा कि if you really want to taste something like really bizarre,
Yeah.
most bizarre cocktail I've ever had.
For sure. What's your parents' take on you drinking alcohol for a living?
Oh, for a living?
Yeah.
They still don't have any idea.
Oh, what?
Yeah.
Are you? Oh, damn, bro.
Yeah. My dad sent me one of my videos saying, "ये अच्छा काम किए हो." I was like, all right.
तूने तो देख लिया ना बिल. तूने नहीं देखा. What's your guess? 7,000-8,000. भाई देखो जरा हम फ्यूचर में हैं. अभी सब इन्फ्लेशन लगा के सोचो कितना हुआ है. 13,188. But okay, let's pay this bill and let's get the out of here. See you on the next one. भाई मोटा बिल आया है, जो सही बात है यार. Quickly, your favorite cocktail from here?
Okay, I feel like the Dear Seri.
Mine was, I forget the name, but I'll put the name here.
एक second, वो-
It's the coffee Negroni. All right?
Yeah.
On to the next one. थोड़ी महंगी थी cocktails यार. 1300-1600 रुपए की थी एक आधी cocktail. भाई 1600 रुपए की एक cocktail में तो
भाई ये अमीर के 14 जो लोग हैं ना, इनको मैंने देख लिया है, ठीक है. 13,000 में बिल बना, मेरा बाप मेरा गांड काट लेगा.
Back when I feel like you know I don't play right. I'll put up a good fight.
I have gotten a Prego cat in my hand.
she's for the streets.
You know I don't play
Bit of a
right.
secret garden adventure that we're getting into. PCO, one of my favorite bars from Delhi. Also we're at the Bombay one, obviously.
It seems like one of those cool bars.
It is a cool bar.
Already started.
You're part of the video at this point, honestly. The camera is always. Talk to the mixologist, get some drinks, and do some general old school drunk debauchery, and get the here at one point. Cocktail menu के बारे में मुझे tell us a little bit. What are we expecting here?
So like it's all about the innovative concept is the textile.
इनका जो menu है, like we were discussing, is based on the Indian textiles. तो पश्मीना, बनारसी, brocade, कलमकारी.
ये जो टेक्सटाइल है ना, इसका अल्कोहल से क्या लेना देना है?
So this is called the Kamlami.
हाँ.
If you go the opposite, there is story mode. Every fabric have some story behind it. Okay, so some like the Pashmina. The Pashmina is fabric come from the Himalayas. So Himalayas they are famous for the goji berries. So we are using that goji berries in our cocktail.
The actual cloth is also here, of each kind.
I only have Pashmina because I've heard the song Pashmina Dhago Ke Sang.
So one Banarasi, one brocade, and one Pashmina. Vijay, thank you so much, brother. Okay. Good question. So every Wednesday night, they have a jazz night here, which it seems like has just started. And once we get a couple of drinks in, we're gonna go there, get jazzed up.
I'm in heaven, and my heart beats so that I can hardly speak. And I seem to find the happiness I see when we're out together, dancing cheek to cheek.
Brocade, Pashmina, Banarasi. Cheers, lads.
Cheers, lads!
Damn, this is incredible. I'm very apprehensive of like getting chocolate in my cocktails or whatever. But this is just so subtle. This is Banarasi. Pan?
Brother, this is amazing.
Aha.
Are you?
Aha. Aha. Very refreshing,
Yeah.
man. Very refreshing.
I think this one is the best.
This is really good. I really like the menu. I think it's a very, very descriptive, very like I get everything that I want from it and more. I like it.
Don't enjoy as hell as much as dancing cheek to cheek. Now my love dance with me. I'm on my arms around you. The charm.
Lads तो मत ही बोल ठीक है 10 रुपए के मारूंगा मुंह पे भाई
I love this cocktail.
I love it
देखो भाई जो सच बात है ऑडियंस को सच बताना पड़ेगा हमने ये तीसरी बार ड्रिंक बनवाई है कुछ रोलिंग कुछ कैमरा इशू आ गया था तो हम ये तीसरी बार आपको रिव्यू दे रहे हैं इस बात का तो इट माइट बी अ बिट रिहर्स्ड
बट रिव्यू जो सच है वही है
वो जो सच है वही है because these two are very very refreshing if you're looking for refreshing cocktails both of these are very very refreshing
Yep.
this of course is a bit coffee and spirit forward and what we have here brothers this is raw silk तो चलो यार अब हमारे लिए एक टेबल का इंतजाम हो गया लेट्स गो यार टेबल
उस तरफ में
यस सर
यहाँ पे जैज म्यूजिक है
यस सर लेट्स गो कम
नो पार्किंग नो पार्किंग कौन कर रहा है यहाँ पे भैया
No parking.
ये देखो भाई भाई कोई पैड नहीं दिए गए भाई सीधे वुड पे बैठाया गया
कुर्सी
भाई
की बात हो रही है वैसे टू बी ऑनेस्ट इट इज नॉट एन अनकंफर्टेबल बट पैडिंग होनी
झूठ मत बोल भाई
पैडिंग होती तो अच्छा लगता
लगता
और
ना?
थोड़ी ज्यादा लो है फॉर अ टॉल गाय लाइक दीज कुर्सीज हैव बीन रिजेक्टेड
so you guys are jazz lovers
I'm not. He
No,
dragged
I'm
me
just
here.
getting into it, kind of.
he dragged you into it
Yeah.
what kind of music do you listen to
I think like R&B, grime, a lot of other stuff.
okay
I trust the cocktail menu. So I got trying.
I'm not a drinker, but I picked this and this was really good.
it's the muslin how elite do you think this bar is
Elite in the good note or the bad one? I don't think it's elitist. It's very simple. It doesn't pose that elite status as such,
right
while keeping the soberness and the luxury side of it intact.
the mosquitoes are diluting the elite part
100, that a little bit. First thing she told me when she came in is, today I'm wearing full sleeves. Today I'm wearing full sleeves and everything.
Because of the mosquitoes.
thank you so much
When we're out together, dancing cheek to cheek. Ooh, I love to climb the mountain and reach the highest peak.
small place what are we guessing the damages are
I think this one would be around 10
it's 6965 it's just short of 7,000 rupees
I love you.
thank you so much brother lovely speaking with you see you what was your favorite cocktail from here
from here
yeah
the basic highball one that
okay
that he
sure
made. जो हम लोग दोनों पी के बोल रहे थे कि बहुत रिफ्रेशिंग है
the first one that you had
Yeah.
mine also was brocade I think तेरा पश्मीना था
पश्मीना
mine was brocade
सबसे चुप वाला था वो जिसमें पान डाल के दिया था
बनारसी
बनारस
But of course यार ये सारी चीजें subjective होती है लेकिन ये हमारी favorite picks है so we would definitely
Yeah.
tell you to maybe try these
yeah the food was not as impressive as
Bhumipura
the
or like generally
in general like the whatever like cult status PCO has gained.
but it's for cocktails so it's a cocktail specialty bar
I mean I had aloo you guys had chicken and
I had a salmon roll yeah
How-
it was above average yeah but the cocktails I really enjoyed the
but
cocktails.
one thing that PCO really bangs in is the vibe and the
Yeah.
ambience of the place somebody wants to come on a date here, I think this is the place जहाँ पे connection बनेगा.
Yeah.
Because the jazz night is like really amazing.
It opens only post 5 on weekdays, or they also have Sunday brunches, which we will cover at some point. We'll come again for a Sunday brunch. I think PCO and Bhumipura are generally great places nonetheless that one should check out.
भूमिपुरा तो मतलब फिर भी तुम लोग एक बार तुम लोग को थोड़ा सा कॉन्सेप्ट समझ के तुम घुस सकते हो, बट यहाँ पे
थोड़ा तुम ऐसे चीप होके नहीं आ सकते, ठीक है? थोड़ा तमीज से आना पड़ेगा.
हाँ, थोड़ा तमीज होके आना पड़ेगा.
हमें भी थोड़ा लग रहा था हम क्या कर रहे हैं. But on that note, let us know if there are any other bars that you would want us to visit and how you experienced Bhumipura and PCO Bombay if you've been there. And until then,
stay unsobered.